Surprise! I'm so sorry, baby. This was not the surprise for Pari. This was a surprise for you. And so we have been planning this, and I hope you like it. But wait a minute. I think somebody has something to tell you. Wait.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Golu. Happy birthday to you. I'm so proud of you. You've become so much more than I ever expected you to be. You're very loving, caring, affectionate, sensitive, which is shocking to me because you were such a man growing up. But I'm really proud to see you evolve with Sumedha, especially because you're so different and so mature, and I really liked to see you transition from being who you were before, which wasn't bad, I'm not saying that, but you've just become so much more in touch with who you truly are, and I think that's the definition of having a very good partnership in your life. So I'm really happy you chose a wonderful partner. I mean, she chose you, but okay, we'll get to that later. I think one core memory that I have of you that truly shows who you are is like you've always stood up for yourself. You've always known right and wrong, and the new trend or being popular, nothing has really moved that, and I think that is very inspiring for me personally. So I think, not going into too much detail, you will always be my first child. You'll always be my little brother and my little baby. Just really happy to have you in my life. I think I wouldn't have survived childhood / puberty / everything else without you. Very grateful to God and to my parents for having another child, because otherwise I think it would have been painful. So thank you for being in my life. Thank you for being, I don't know why I'm praying, but just really happy that you're growing and you're evolving, and I'm so excited to be part of your life, to be a witness to your growth and your tantrums especially. But okay, all right, wishing you a happy birthday, and I love you, you know that.
I was so emotional, which Didi is, which she never agrees to. But we know how caring she is, right? Okay, moving on.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Golu. Happy birthday to you. Wish you many happy returns of the day, Golu. And thank you for being the pillar of everyone, our family. And thank you for always being so supportive and caring about everything and towards everyone. And I look forward to seeing you soon. जल्दी से वीज़ा हो जाए and come meet us in the US. फिर मज़े करेंगे खूब. Enjoy your day. Bye.
I know you would have married Anshul if you were a man. I mean, if you were a woman. Or if Anshul were a woman. Basically, if you had a chance to marry Anshul. What would I have done? Thanks for marrying me though. Moving on.
Happy birthday, Golu. Because of you and Kappu, I never felt like I did not have siblings of my own. The fact that you guys added people like Anshul and Sumedha into the family have just made all of our lives more beautiful. I'm glad you all found each other, and I hope you have a great birthday, the first birthday after being married, and many more to come. God bless.
Trying not to be emotional, but God bless से याद आया, एक blessing आई है हमारे पास. Would you like to know? Wait.
Hi Golu, happy birthday. God bless you बेटा. हमेशा खुश रहो, स्वस्थ रहो, और दोनों जल्दी कोई खुशी दो. Good luck. Bye. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Golu. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Golu Seth. God bless you.
ज़रूरी हो गया पैसा कमाना, नहीं? I think so too. Well, we'll do that planning later and let's get to this half sleepy person. Would you like to see?
Hello beta, Shubh. I'm recording this video in the early wee hours, half asleep, half awake. But first of all, wishing you a very, 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 very happy birthday. तुम्हें तुम्हारा जन्मदिन बहुत 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 मुबारक. खूब तरक्की करो, खूब अच्छा करो, खूब प्रगति करो. तुम और तुम्हारी सादगी इतने तुम्हारे से इतने कम समय में बिताने का मौका मिला, लेकिन लगता है कि जैसे हम लोग एक दूसरे को पता नहीं कितने सालों से जानते हो. वो नएपन, वो अनजानापन का एहसास कभी भी नहीं था. सो ये सब तुम्हारी सादगी, तुम्हारे सबका ख्याल रखना, छोटी छोटी चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना. यू आर सच अ डिटेल्ड पर्सन एंड आई नो फॉर श्योर द वे यू आर, यू विल गो अ लॉन्ग वे. बहुत अच्छे हो, बहुत सबका ख्याल रखते हो, ऐसे ही बने रहना. भगवान तुम्हें बहुत खुशियों से भरा रखे. हमेशा अच्छे से रहो, बढ़िया से रहो. आज तुम्हारा जन्मदिन है. हम लोगों की तरफ से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, बहुत सारा आशीर्वाद. खूब एंजॉय करो.
Completely giving the Batman vibes. What do you think? Mama, it's so fun. Okay, anyways. Everybody loves you so much, yaar. So much. How are you so loved? Can you guess next corner?
Happy birthday to my wonderful son. Watching you grow in such a kind, strong and caring is my greatest joy in life. May this new year bring you endless happiness, exciting new adventures and all the success you deserve. No matter how old you get, you will always be my pride and joy. Have an amazing day. Happy birthday to you.
विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर गोलू. तुम कहीं भी रहो, कितनी भी दूर रहो, हम हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ रहेंगे. तुम्हारा प्यार हमेशा हमारे साथ रहेगा. हम यही चाहते हैं कि तुम जहाँ कहीं भी रहो, खूब तरक्की करो, एक रिस्पेक्टेबल लाइफ जियो, रिस्पेक्टफुली अर्न करो और खूब रिस्पेक्ट पाओ. हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन.
Okay, happy birthday.
Don't we have the cutest parents? We do, right? Also, don't you think Papa was giving a bit Rajiv Ghai here? I think he was. He's the best. Anyways, I bet you can't guess the next video.
इसलिए बोलती हूँ. हाय भैया, जन्मदिन मुबारक रखो. और क्या, आपका दिन अच्छे से जाए भैया. मैनी विश यू हैप्पी बर्थडे भैया.
She is so damn cute, no? She was so excited to record the video. The moment I asked her, she just ran in. रुको मेरी चुन्नी लेकर आती हूँ मैं. And then she came back, and then there was a little BTS. I hope you were able to notice. Anyways, you can here's the cutest little one of our family wishing you a very happy birthday. Let's go. Oh, I think the cutest happy birthday you ever got. So, happy birthday. And now we have another cute member of our family, and we have so many cute people in our lives, no? Let's go to that person. Let's go.
विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे शुभ। जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई और शुभकामनाएं। तुम स्वस्थ रहो, खुश रहो और जीवन में हर उस चीज़ को प्राप्त करो जिसे तुमने कभी सोचा होगा। यही हमारा आशीर्वाद है। तुम्हारा जो नाम है शुभ, सही में बहुत अच्छा नाम है जिसे तुम्हारे माता पिता ने रखा, और ये दर्शाता है कि हमारा हर काम शुभ ही होता है। ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। तुम इस परिवार में एक दामाद के रूप में नहीं बल्कि एक बेटे के रूप में आए, और ये कभी महसूस नहीं हुआ कि तुम इस घर के दामाद हो। और सबसे बड़ी बात, तुम्हारा व्यवहार बताता है कि तुम हम लोगों के लिए एक स्तंभ की तरह हो, और हर मोड़ पर हर समय तुम हम लोगों के लिए खड़े रहते हो। ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। आज मुझे इस बात का बहुत गर्व है कि तुम दोनों ही हमारे लिए एक जीवन का एक अंग बन गए हो, और कभी भी हर बात के लिए हम तुम लोगों को बहुत याद करते हैं। हम ईश्वर को इस बात के लिए भी काफ़ी धन्यवाद देते हैं कि हमें तुम जैसा दामाद या बेटा मिला। एक बार फिर से तुम्हें बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये आए, तुम जियो हजारों साल।
इतने प्यार से मेरे पापा ने मुझे भी विश नहीं किया बट नो वरीज। एंड जो गाना थोड़ा अधूरा सा रह गया, वी विल लिसन टू दिस सॉन्ग आफ्टर दिस। व्हाट से? Isn't that a good idea? Yeah, we should. Papa, be ready, please. Yeah, okay. And now the next one.
विश यू ए वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे शुभ। जन्मदिन बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो, खुश रहो, मस्त रहो। बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि तुम्हारे जन्मदिन पर मैं वीडियो के माध्यम से तुम्हें विश कर रही हूँ। तुम्हें खुश देखकर बहुत अच्छा लगता है। तुम दोनों खूब खुश रहो, मस्त रहो, आबाद रहो। तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी में ढेर सारी खुशियाँ आए। तुम जब से मेरे दामाद नहीं बेटे बने हो, मैं अंदर से इतनी हैप्पी रहती हूँ कि मैं बता नहीं सकती हूँ। तुमसे बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगता है। जब तुम मम्मी कहते हो ना, तो मैं क्या बताऊँ, मैं कितनी खुश हो जाती हूँ। और इसी तरह खुश रहो। जब मौका मिले तो आओ, अच्छा लगेगा। और तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी में ढेर सारी खुशियाँ तुम्हें मिले। मेरा विशेष तुम्हारे साथ है, मेरा आशीर्वाद तुम्हारे साथ है। यूं ही मुस्कुराते रहो। विश यू वेरी हैप्पी 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 बर्थडे।
Now you know मम्मा उस दिन रात में तैयार होकर क्यों बैठी थी। Aren't they good at hiding surprises? I am super surprised about it. But yeah, thanks mom. But okay, that was sweet. Now let's move on to one of the most special person. Let's go.
हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर गोलू बेटा। आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत 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 मुबारक। काश आपके इस स्पेशल डे पे पापा और मैं आपके साथ होते, खुशी खुशी आपका ये बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करते। लेकिन मजबूरियां हैं बेटा। हम फिजिकली तो नहीं, लेकिन मेंटली हम हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ रहते हैं, और भगवान से तुम्हारे खुशहाल जीवन के लिए प्रार्थना करते हैं। हमें खुशी है कि हम नहीं तो कोई बात नहीं, तुम्हारी लाइफ पार्टनर सुमेधा तुम्हारे साथ है और हम जानते हैं कि सुमेधा आपके इस बर्थडे को सेलिब्रेट करने में किसी तरह की कोई कमी नहीं रखेगी। जहाँ तक हमारा सवाल है तो हम दूर रहकर केवल आपको अपनी ब्लेसिंग्स भेज सकते हैं। हमारा आशीर्वाद, हमारा प्यार हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ रहेगा और हम भगवान से यही प्रार्थना करते हैं कि आप दिन दिन दुगनी रात चौगनी तरक्की करो और खूब राइज करो, अपने करियर में खूब उन्नति करो, समाज में सोसाइटी में खूब मान सम्मान पाओ, बड़ों का आशीर्वाद प्राप्त करो, छोटों का तुम्हें प्यार मिलता रहे। भगवान तुम्हें एक स्वस्थ, खुशहाल और संपन्न जीवन प्रदान करे। हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन। हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा। विश यू वेरी 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 हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Oh, Mama, so cute. Now that we have had all the emotional moments, let me take you to the most notorious one. What's it? I think you can guess who I'm talking about. Let's go.
बहुत गंदा आदमी हो तुम।
Oops, ये तो मेरे बर्थडे वाली वीडियो चल गई।
Hi Riju, happy birthday. First of all, you are the best. And this time I don't want to tell you that I love you just because you love Didi, but because I know कि वो आप करते ही और हमेशा करते रहोगे, I know. But I really want to tell you that I love you for the person you are, for who you are. The way you care about people and for the way you make everyone around you feel loved, included and important. One thing I especially love about you is how you always include me in everything. You never make me feel excluded for even a single time. Thank you for that, really. And honestly, you came after, मतलब आपके आने के बाद मतलब देखो ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ कि मेरे को कभी भाई की याद आई या मेरे को ऐसा लगा मेरा कोई भाई नहीं है, बिकॉज आई हैड दीदी एवरी टाइम विथ मी, बट समवेयर अलॉन्ग द वे मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि आप मेरे भाई भी हो, मतलब आप समझ रहे हो मेरी बात, लाइक आप मेरे भाई भी हो मेरे जीजू होने के साथ, और दैट फीलिंग्स मीन्स मोर टू मी दैट आई कैन एवर एक्सप्लेन। मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है। आई जेन्युइनली डोंट नो हाउ यू मैनेज योर वर्क लाइफ एंड पर्सनल लाइफ, your both families so beautifully. You care about everyone, but especially about both our families, and you handle everyone and everything with so much patience and grace. You are so selfless, Jiju, that you always think about others before yourself. खुद का सोचना होता है। Please learn to take care of yourself too. I know दीदी है, दीदी हमेशा रखेगी भी, बट आप भी अपना रखना ज़रूर, और बिकॉज यू डिज़र्व द सेम लव एंड केयर दैट यू गिव एफर्टलेसली टू एवरीवन एल्स, बिकॉज यू आर एज मच एज प्रीशियस टू मी एज दीदी इज़. And honestly, after you came in our lives, there's this different kind of happiness in our house. It feels like our family is complete now. I know that we were happy before too, but when you came, there's this different kind of extra happiness whenever you are around. You know, your presence genuinely adds something to our family that I don't think that we can ever put into words. You are literally one of my favorite people on this entire planet, solar system, aap jo bolo. And I mean that with my whole heart. You're the kind of person everyone wishes to have in their life. I had always dreamt of someone like you for Didi, but somehow she got even better what I could have ever wished for. You have become genuinely my standard for what an amazing person and amazing partner should be. You have set my standard and bar so high that I genuinely don't think I can ever settle for anything less. But most importantly, I want you to know that I love you, not because you are my brother-in-law, but because you are you. I love you. I love your heart, your nature, the way you care, the way you show up for people, and the person you choose to be every single day. I am so grateful that you came into our lives, and I hope that you always know that I'm
with you anytime anywhere. आपके bad times, आपके अच्छे times, हमेशा आपके पास एक बड़ी बहन के साथ एक छोटी सी बहन भी है who will always love you, trust you, and whom you can trust too. And I'll always be there for you. I love you so much, Jiju. Please never forget how precious you are to me and the people who are close to you. I love you so much. Please अपना ख्याल रखना. And I love being the third wheel of both of you. बस और क्या कहना है. आई जस्ट लव यू. आप ध्यान रखना अपना हमेशा और ऐसे ही मेरे को झेलते रहना. बाय बाय.
Oh, that was cute. I hate that my sister is growing up though. But anyways, this is about you today, so let's talk about you. And moving on, I have some very, very, very sweet people who have a few messages for you. Let me show you that.
Hi Shubhanshu, a very happy birthday to you. Though we haven't interacted much, but I know you are the bestest thing happened to Sumedha, and I'm wishing you a lot of love, success, good health, and a lot of prosperity and smile on your face for the upcoming year.
Hello Jiju, happy birthday. Wishing you a year filled with lots of love, happiness, prosperity and good health. And also I hope that you have the best birthday ever and you enjoy your day as much as possible. And I know that we only met for a fraction of seconds, but in that moment only I instantly realized that you are such an amazing person, and I knew that you would have you would be taking care of our Sumedha Didi with so much love, so much care and so much dedication. And I am really very, very, very glad that she gets to call you her life partner and that we get to call you our Jiju. And I hope the bond between you two grows only stronger and stronger with each passing year. And I hope you have an amazing life ahead. And happy birthday once again. Take care.
Hey Jiju, wishing you a very, 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 very happy birthday. I wish this year goes wonderful. And wishing for your happiness, health and great success ahead. And yes, enjoy your day. Yay!
Happiest birthday, Shubh Jiju. May God bless you with all the happiness, all the peace in your life. And it's your day, so party hard. Also be safe. And बाकी सुमेधा दी तो है ही आपका डे स्पेशल बनाने के लिए. शी इज़ द स्वीटेस्ट. एंड मैं आप लोगों से फर्स्ट टाइम मिली थी ना, लाइक आई लव यू बोथ. लाइक यू आर द बेस्टेस्ट कपल आई हैव एवर मेट इन माई लाइफ. सो I want both of you to be happy in your entire life, and happiest birthday.
Wish you a very happiest birthday, Jiju. God bless you. खाओ पियो ऐश करो, पार्टी करो.
Okay, that was kind of sweet. And okay, whatever. So I'll just take you to the next person who has something special to tell you. Wait.
Happy birthday to my favorite Jiju, Shubhanshu Jiju. You are very special for me because you always keep a good care of Sumedha and always make her feel happy and loved. Thank you for that. और also one thing, अगर आप अभी नहीं होते तो उसकी जगह मैं होती, अगर मैं लड़का होती तो. So आप मेरे सौतन हो और हमेशा रहोगे. Thank you.
Thank you so much to my best friend, Shivangi friend. You are so cute. I just can't still believe that how flawless you are, Shivangi. Okay, this is about Shubh. Shubh, let me talk to you. So about marrying Shivangi, I don't know about that, but something else have something to tell you. Wait.
Hi Shubhanshu Jiju, many happy returns of the day. You are the most loving, caring and calm person whoever I meet in my life. I must say Sumedha, you are very lucky to have him as your life partner. Once again happy birthday जीजू. और एक चीज़ और, कोई कितना भी बोले कि मैं लड़का होती तो सुमेधा मेरी होती. आप हो, आपके अलावा कोई किसी की नहीं होती. कोई लड़का भी होता तो भी वो आपकी ही होती.
Such beautiful messages from such beautiful people. I mean, I don't have words to say, but yeah, see how loved you are, how beautiful you are, how much everyone around loves you, and yeah. And I think there's one last message for you that is left. Just let me get that person. 1 minute. Hey, hi. Remember me? I think you do, because it took you 4 years to tell me that you like me. So I hope you recognize me now. Thank you so much for telling me that. Thank you so much for choosing me. Thank you so much for being you. Thank you so much for putting in so much effort, so much thoughts, so much thoughtfulness among everything that you do for me, for our family, for our friends, for all our loved ones. I mean, I have learned so many things from you. I have learned so many things for you, and I have made a list of that I'll give you later. But I mean, I don't know, I think with you I started to express more, I started to love myself more, and the most amazing thing that happened to me after meeting you is that I fell in love with myself as much as I fell in love with you. So you made me fall in love with myself, and I think that's the most amazing feeling that I have ever felt, and it just gives me more fuel to love everyone, to think about everyone. So when everybody tells me that I care about them, that I love them, I just want to tell them that you take care of me so well, so well, that it makes me that person who wants to think about everything, carelessly, carefully. I don't know, I mean, I love you so much. I mean, I really love you so much, and every little thing that you do. I was so normal back then. What happened to me right now? Okay, I'll talk to you later. I just want to say happy birthday, baby. May you live a long, healthy, happy life, and you get all the happiness of this world. And I would pray to God to give me the strength, to give me that love, so that I can make your life even colorful and lovely. I love you so much. Love you. Bye. I hope you like this though. I'll talk to you later about this. Look towards your right, left. See, bye. Oh, she was the sweetest. I think you're the most lucky guy to have her in your life. Yeah. So, okay. So I think you liked it, anyways. And honorable mentions for those people who were really trying, but unfortunately couldn't send you a video message because of some important schedules. But yeah, but about your friends, oh my god, it's so difficult to get a video out of them, and I think I failed at that. But okay, well, I'll talk to them when I meet them next. But anyways, I know they love you so much. I know you love them so much. And
Hey Shubhanshu, happy birthday. I hope you have an amazing day ahead and an even better year. I'm really glad to have you as a friend, and I really hope you have a wonderful time celebrating your birthday with Sumedha Bhabhi. Cheers.
what was that? What was that? I mean, what was that? I did not expect it. You also did not, right? So that was as much of a surprise for you as much for me, and I'm so happy I could at least get one video out of 6. I'm so afraid you will get out of the room, but okay, whatever. So this is what I was talking about, by the way, that these are the best, sweetest, most beautiful people we have around, and everybody is so sweet, and everybody loves you so much. And also you were very much excited about the reaction of Pari when you give her the surprise of coming home.
so I could record a bit of it, which I'm going to show you. I'm very sorry Pari for this, but okay, I am just going to show you that. Just give me one minute. But still, what's the reaction of it? It's almost 3:30 and it's almost 20 to 21 hours left to your birthday, and I can't tell you how happy I am, although I couldn't do much this time because of, but what I want to tell you is that I really love you. I love you. I love you. I love you in all the languages possible. I love you in all the ways possible. And I'll keep telling you and I'll keep showing you that throughout my life, till my last breath, and maybe after that if we have a life after. I love you so much.
It's not over yet. I think there is somebody singing something for you. Let me just play that one minute.
बंधन तो प्यार का बंधन है, जन्मों का ये संगम है। ये बंधन तो प्यार का बंधन है, ये जन्मों का ये संगम है। सूरज कब दूर गगन से, चंदा कब दूर किरण से, खुशबू कब दूर पवन से, कब दूर बहार चमन से। ये बंधन तो प्यार का बंधन है, जन्मों का ये संगम है। ये बंधन तो प्यार का बंधन है, जन्मों का ये संगम है। विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा गोलू। मे यू हैव हेल्दी, हैप्पी and progressive life ahead. Lots of love. Love you beta. God bless you.
Happy birthday baby.
Dear Golu, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday dear Golu, happy birthday.
Happy birthday Golu.
तुम्हें तुम्हारा जन्मदिन बहुत 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 मुबारक।
Happy birthday to my wonderful son.
आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत 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 मुबारक।
मेरी विश यू हैप्पी बर्थडे भैया।
Wish you very happy birthday, Shu.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Shu.
Happy birthday. Oh, a very happy birthday to you.
A very, 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 very happy birthday.
Happiest birthday, Shubh Jiju.
Wish you a very happiest birthday, Jiju.
Happy birthday to my favorite Jiju, Shubhanshu.
Many happy returns of the day.
Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Golu।
Bye. Thank you.